Today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another turn me into a model makeup video. I just love, like, I follow all these models on Instagram and I just love how they do makeup. I love how skin-like they look, like their makeup always looks. I just love how fresh and effortless it comes off. First things first, I'm super dry, like, all over my body, and so I've done my skincare routine. That video should be up on my YouTube already. And so I just go in with lip balm. This is the Jack Black one. I bought this because of Jackie Aina, and she said she goes through them like monthly. I've had this for at least a year. Well, this is like 2017. This one same tube of lip balm. Really good if you have like actually like dry lips. I recommend this a lot. To start, I'm going to just spray my face. This is the Becca Skin Love Glow Shield Prime and Set. I just like for everything to be super dewy and stuff, so as much moisture as I can incorporate into my routine, for me the better. So I'm gonna go in with a primer, because why the hell not? I'm gonna use the Becca Skin Love primer. I like this one. It's one of those like it feels, I don't know if there's silicone in this, but it feels like those silicone primers that just like smoothen out your skin. I'm going to use the L'Oreal 24-hour Infallible, whatever. I don't know what this is. They've made like 5 versions of Infallible. I can't keep up. I put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. For me, like especially in the summertime, like right now, I just generally don't like wearing a lot of foundation, so I like to dot it a little bit around my face, and I try to get my base as skin-like as possible is what I was trying to communicate. These sponges are beauty blender dupes I found on Amazon. I will link them in the description box down below. And as you can see, like, it didn't cover up most of my spots. Today I do want a little bit more coverage than I typically do, so I'm gonna go in just a little bit more, just to cover up some of that darkness right there, some of this darkness right here. I just like my foundation to look very, very skin-like. You're just like, is she wearing foundation? Is she not? You're not sure. And for me, I found that the best way to get that kind of skin is also focusing on hydration in my skincare, so that my skin is very like plump by the time I'm putting foundation on it, so nothing looks dry. Because a lot of the time that's the issue, is just like your base is dry. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, just a little bit. As you can see, I have a little bit of like a bag situation. Right here. Because I'm going to be using a sponge to blend this out, and this is already kind of a lightweight concealer, instead of going right into it to blend everything out, I'm going to put contour on first, because otherwise the concealer will just disappear. Did I do my contour? There we go. I use the Sephora gel serum and Haute Cocoa right there. Just right there. And kind of blend them out together and see what we end up with. I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop no filter setting powder in the shade Banana. Just a little bit under my eyes. Typically I would just dust this under my eyes, but I don't know, do I want to do that? Yeah, let me do that. I'm gonna use this little tapered brush right here. Brush most of this off. Go with a bit of a light set. See, just like a little bit. So I typically don't put powder all over my face because, like I've said 5 million times, I like the look of dewy skin. I like the look of glow. So I typically will not like set my whole face with powder or anything. Powder contour. Right underneath my cheekbone. Because my base is usually so like natural and soft, sometimes I like to go in with a bit of a darker brow. So this is the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Black, Soft Black. But sometimes I use this so that my brows are a little bit more like punchy. Especially the rest of my face is really soft. And this just looks like brow hairs, and my brows are super unruly, so and then sometimes if I feel like I've gone in a little ham, especially towards the front of my brow, the Maybelline, this one is like a brown color. I will try to like diffuse that black in the front a little bit with this Trini London Lip to Cheek in the shade Phoebe. This is so like dirty. I've had this also since 2017. I like me a little bit of a pink blue situation. And I typically place my blush like a contour. This is not my usual. I use it more to like lift my face, and then whatever's left on my fingers I will bring here. But usually I apply blush more to my cheekbones than I do to the apples of my cheek. I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm not going to be wearing a lip color. I'm just going to put more lip balm on. Mascara, Lancome Monsieur Big. Nowadays, like I don't enjoy wearing mascara just because like the process of taking eye makeup off, especially mascara, is just so grueling. Like mascara does not come off. It takes so long. I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes because it makes me look insane. I'm just gonna go over my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Although I typically don't enjoy putting a lot of powder on. Just like why not? I'm just gonna push it with my face. I saw Nima Tan use the Too Faced powder and it looks so good. Like it makes her skin so like blurred out and stuff. I definitely want to try that now. Another one of the reasons why I can get away with not using highlight is because this blush has a bit of a sheen to it. So yeah, a little bit of mist and set. If you have mascara that transfers, do this before you put mascara on. I like to take my sponge and just like press and setting spray into my skin. I like this because I'm just kind of like enhancing my natural features. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Like I can't really feel anything on my skin right now and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I know like it's not the best quality in the world because my light is really bad outside and I'm filming on my phone. But I kind of just wanted to do it because I don't know. I wanted to try something new, try vertical video. Yeah. Let me know how you're feeling it. If you really dislike it, I will go back to using my DSLR. But I'm kind of into it for right now, so